Hey, you don't know me, and honestly, why would you? I'm just another developer who thinks he can build an app, start a YouTube channel and somehow make living out of it. Original, right? I wanted to make one of those videos where I show you how my app make $10,000 a month and what my life as a freelance developer looks like, but my app currently makes $0 a month and all of my income comes from a 9 to 5 job. So instead, I'm going to show you how I plan to get there. I'll keep this short because nobody watches first video for the backstory. I am Jan, or just John if that's easier. I am iOS developer located in Czech Republic, 6 years in the industry. Before that, I was a parkour instructor, so career jumps are kind of my thing. This isn't my first attempt at building something on my own. I've shipped a couple of apps before, spent months on each one of them, got them to version 1.0, put them on the App Store and then just let them die because I never did any marketing. I just built them and hoped people would magically find them. Turns out that's not strategy, that's just stupid, and this time I want to do it differently, starting with this video. Let me show you what I'm currently working on. The app is called Yumi and it's a screen time blocker, which, yeah, I know there are like a million of those, but hear me out. Instead of showing you a bunch of stats, I gave you a pet, a Yumi. It lives on a floating island and everything revolves around the wind. When you're using the apps you're trying to limit, like Instagram, TikTok, whatever, the wind picks up. Your pet gets uncomfortable. It starts moving closer and closer to the edge of the island. When you block those apps, the wind comes down. It's not just a daily timer that says, hey, you have 30 minutes left. The wind is constantly reacting to what you're doing in real time. If you hit 100%, your app gets blocked. And if you still decide you want to use them, the only way is to let your pet get blown away. The point is, it makes you conscious of the choice, which, yeah, it's partly because Apple API doesn't give me many options, but yeah, let's call it a feature. Anyways, you're not just tapping ignore limit on a system pop-up, you're watching your pet fly away off the island. And I think that hits different and it looks cool. Your pet also evolves day by day as long as you don't blow it away. On day 1, you pick an essence and that determines the evolution path. There's a reason, so there's a reason to come back to the app day by day and so on. The app is almost done and the real challenge now is everything that comes after the code. And that's exactly what I want to document on this channel. If you have any tips on marketing, seriously, I'm all ears. That's the part when I'm genuinely clueless. Drop them in the comments and I think that's it. So see you in the next one.